Hello and welcome back to our cooking show. Today we are making the most delicious muscle contraction you've ever had. The ingredients you're going to need for this is 1 cup nerve impulses, 1.5 ACH, neuron synapse, transverse T tubules, sacroplasm reticulum, calcium, 1/4 cup troponin, 1/3 cup tropomyosin, 1/2 cup myosin heads, ATP, actin, and a sarcomere. To begin, you are going to want to have your brain send 1 cup of nerve impulses to the muscle bowl. As the nerve impulses are poured in and meets the muscle, 1/2 cup of acetylcholine is released in the synaptic cleft. Stir the mix, causing depolarization to travel down the transverse T tubules down into the muscle fibers. Once thoroughly mixed, action potential reaches the sacroplasm reticulum to release a different flavor from the sacroplasm reticulum, which is calcium. Next, you're going to want to add 1/4 cup of troponin to the calcium and mix slightly as it binds together to form a nice soft dough. The dough being formed causes the tropomyosin to move over and expose binding sites where ATP binds to the myosin. At the exposed binding sites, add in 1/2 cup of myosin heads to the outside of the dough and allow that to bind together to form a cross bridge. The cross bridge pulls the actin strands over the myosin. This pulling of actin strands shortens the section of the dough called the sarcomere. Once you have a shortened sarcomere, you have your contraction.